So anyone can get this Temu coupon code, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this free Temu coupon code. It's actually quite easy to do, but you want to make sure that you watch this full video so you don't miss out on any of the important steps that I'm about to go through. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to subscribe to the channel as it really helps out. Awesome. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu account. And then once you're logged into the homepage, we don't need this. Once you're logged into the homepage, go ahead and click on the U button. Now, if you don't have an account already, you want to scroll down and click on Settings. And then at the very top, there should be an option that says Sign In/Register. And you want to go ahead and make an account. And then once you have made an account, go ahead and click on Country and Region. And you want to set the country and region as to United States at the bottom. So then once you have set that, now from here, you should have an account and you should have your country and region set as the United States. Once that has been done, you can go back. And right over here, it says earn credits and free gifts. You can click on this option right over here. So with this option, you can see that Temu is going to offer you a lot of different awesome rewards and offers for you completely for free. You don't really have to pay anything. So basically, these are all referral programs. Go ahead and click on cash reward, which is this option right over here. And so as you can see with this cash reward offer, you're going to get $20 PayPal, which you can use to buy things on Temu, as well as you get an $80 coupon where you can spend that $80 inside of Temu. So this is a $80 coupon that you can literally get completely for free. In order to claim the coupon as well as the cash that you're going to get, you have to basically invite referrals using your link. So click on invite to get tokens. Now you can either copy your link or copy your own code at the very bottom and refer that to as many people as you can. And when someone clicks on your link, or if someone types in your code in the search bar, you can get a complete clean referral, and that's going to get you tokens to spin. And then as you can see, this wheel right over here, if you land on, let's say 5, that's going to add to your $79. And once that $79 hits $100, you can cash out your $80 Temu coupon code as well as your $20 cash to your PayPal, all to spend on Temu.